Again, students, welcome to GAME, Gross and Microscopy Explained. We are seeing a gross specimen and its microscopic counterpart on the screen. This is the transitional cell carcinoma of the urinary bladder. The importance is given in this. It is important not only in pathology but in surgery as well. This is a specimen. Usually it is not kept for the undergraduates, but let us see. It is a bladder. The urinary bladder is a bag-like structure. There are two bag-like structures for you. One is the stomach, the other is the urinary bladder. In this, I am finding a lesion that is occupying almost the entire space. It is a tumor, friable, grayish white, with areas of hemorrhage and necrosis. And if you observe carefully, there are finger-like projections. I'll show you the resemblance in the next slide. They commonly occur in the region of the trigone in between the two ureteric orifices. So this is the resemblance I meant, and the source for this particular picture of tumor is the New England Journal of Medicine. This is a sea anemone, a creature that you find at the bed of the sea, and it has got wonderful fine tentacles which will be swept aside by the water. Similarly, here also I am finding fine tentacles or processes which are again washed by a sea of urine. That is why there is a comparison. And this is a cystoscopy. An instrument has been introduced into the bladder for visualization. It is a university question. Please follow this. There are the gross lesions which can be resembling this. One can be papillary or finger-like projections. This can be just superficial and papillary, or it can be invasive, which means it is a malignancy. So papillary process as well as invasion. In another type, you find that it is flat, non-invasive, which we call as carcinoma in situ. In situ means no invasion. Or it can be flat and invading, flat invasive carcinoma. So these are the gross types which I'll just recollect. So this is described here. I would like the people to draw this diagram. The slide can be kept for you in the examination. It is a transitional cell carcinoma. Transitional epithelium is the epithelium of the bladder. So there is a branching fibrovascular core. Look at this line over here, delicate line, mildly red in color because of the fibrovascular stroma. And these are all the tumor cells which can be 7 to 10 layers or even more. In this I am finding little more number. There is a loss of polarity, pleomorphism and mitosis. These are all features of a malignant transformation. So let us see transitional cell carcinoma, fibrovascular core, and then there is a proliferation of the transitional epithelium or processes. The grading is like this. Grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. Depends on the thickness. Grade 1 usually less than 7 layers thick. There won't be any pleomorphism or mitosis. Grade 2 it is slightly increased, and grade 3 there will be a maximum increase in the number of layers. Also there will be loss of polarity, increased mitosis, pleomorphism and lack of differentiation. Look at this one, a line has been drawn for you to count the number of nuclei in any one vertical row. Here it appears even more. See you in game 32. This can be a university slide for you.